With this month's Happy magazine, there's a free pair of sunglasses for every reader.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Me too. Happy magazine, the joy of shopping. Are you getting it?
New cheddar cheese flavour. Another little slice of happiness from Walker's.
Did you know that ordinary conditioners can wash away the protection of your anti-dandruff shampoo? Advanced scientific tests have discovered that ordinary conditioners may wash away the anti-dandruff protection of your shampoo. But new Head & Shoulders conditioner has the technology to maintain the protection, leaving your hair up to 100% flake-free, beautifully soft and shiny. Try new Head & Shoulders conditioner. Don't miss our special introductory offers at a store near you.
Discover the true story behind an extraordinary hoax. And McPartlin, Deathless Donnelly,
Not actually a fake, more of a remake.
Alien Autopsy.
Dry, pale skin you'd rather hide? Introducing Garnier Summer Body with chamomile extract, a moisturizing lotion with a hint of self-tan. Day after day, Summer Body gradually builds a natural sun-kissed looking tan and gives up to 12 hours moisturization. For a natural sun-kissed look, Garnier Summer Body. Your summer starts here. Garnier.
Ladies and gentlemen, our goal, this is hip-hop, the evolution, with the exclusive #1 Nasty Girl.